The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey until 4 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Teton Falls to near Manna, Squam to Dover Beaches north to near Beechwood, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Teton Falls, Red Bank, Beechwood, Manna, Squam, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Heights, Mamaloking, Allenwood, Dover Beaches North, Dover Beaches South, O'Barron, Brick Township, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Point Pleasant, Eatontown, and West Long Branch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 72 and 80, and between mile markers 96 and 112. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Monmouth, and Ocean.
Came from hot water.